Good morning! Well,
doodly.
actually afternoon.
It is noon 17. Who said that?
17.
It's noon 17.
We are leaving Thunder Bay. We are heading back on the highway and driving all the way to Winnipeg today. So it's gonna be a long driving day.
It's an 8-hour trip. We stayed at Richard and Brenda and Cedar and Nema's house. Thank you very much, you guys. That was so fun.
We just went for a walk with them before this. It was super fun. We went to a very big sled. Woo!
I'm going. Oh wow, look at that speed.
Very cool. It's been a great 24 hours in Thunder Bay, including the hike, and now to Winnipeg.
Yeah, it's been 24 hours. We're maybe 10 minutes out of Thunder Bay and Devin has to pee already. She says, "Don't film me, I'm gonna pee." It's how the trip's gonna be. We have to pee every hour or every 10 minutes. Relieved?
Yeah, I feel better now. I need some hand
Should we get ready to stop in 10 minutes?
No.
15 minutes?
No!
Is this gonna be a whole, like, is this gonna make this whole trip a 16-hour trip?
No.
An 8-hour trip?
No, I'm good. Why is this open? Did I do that? I'm ready to go. I'm sorry, I should have peed. I drank a bunch of water, I think, at the beginning of the drive.
I think we're slightly dehydrated from yesterday still.
Yeah. Okay, let's kill again. Sorry about that. We stopped for another pee. Apparently we've been drinking a lot of water, but it's just so pretty, so I wanted to show you the flowers. We're getting back on the highway again. That's 2 pees in like an hour.
Half an hour, I think.
It's either 1:44 or 12:44. Not sure.
Our phones
Switched back.
Show them the phone. Your phone.
Where is their phones?
Your phone went back.
It switched back.
To the other time zone.
So we don't know. We're confused, but that's fine.
It's 12:44. Anyhow, let's see how long it takes until we have to pee again. Sort of getting flatter, but really curvy, and watch the landscape's changing as you drive, and it's beautiful. Love that.
It's also getting smokier as we get into wildfire territory.
It does smell like wildfire now.
Still here, still driving.
It is 5:50. We are really close to the Manitoba border. About 2 hours away still from Winnipeg, but we're gonna stop for dinner.
Yeah,
it just got sunny.
16 minutes. Yeah, it's beautiful out now. I've almost finished editing a video, so that's good, but we're gonna make some food at Falcon Lake.
Hatred, love, Manitoba.
Woo!
Welcome, evening. And it's 100 kilometers per hour and soon to be 110 limit. Let's go! Devin, have you ever been to Manitoba?
No!
What's it like?
This is my first time in Manitoba, and so far it doesn't look that different. Highway really quickly changed, so we're going faster now. I think we're a little delirious from driving all day.
Maybe the smoke too. We've just arrived. We've just arrived to Falcon Lake. Devin's right.
It's actually really busy.
Delirious. Yeah, it's
which I was not expecting.
Super packed. Like there's people everywhere. It's a campground. It's like a community center. It's like a pit stop. There's a beach. There's just tons of people.
Which is we've just been alone for a while, so it's kind of funny.
Well, it's been busy on the highway. We've been in the boons for so long.
So now we're gonna go.
So it's just weird to be surrounded by people.
Maybe we could set up a picnic blanket back there behind the tree.
This is the beach. Oh.
We'll figure it out. Anyways, we'll take it long.
Okay.
I need a snack before I start cooking.
Yeah, Devon's getting hungry. I'm tired. Poor thing. And we're well surrounded on people.
And we got this good setup. We're gonna make a good dinner.
All right. Let's get cracking.
So we're having some issues with our 50-year-old camp stove. I guess understandably, but we're really hoping it'll work so we can have dinner tonight.
It's actually like been acting up, and it's like, I don't know if you pump it too much, it makes it leak, but there's like the naphtha's coming out and catching versus the gas, I guess. Okay, so I got it to work after watching some YouTube videos. We need to get new parts and replace certain things. It's a bit sketchy. But we're cooking everything really on low, and it's maintaining its heat, so we're gonna try it. So how we doing, Tiff?
Not good.
It is looking pretty sketchy. So
We are letting it burn off.
letting the naphtha burn off because there's a bit of liquid everywhere.
And then, I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner.
It does not look good. If I lift this up though, you can see. I should give it more oxygen, so it's actually kind of too big of a fire. Okay, we got the cooler out, and we're gonna have some
Sandwiches.
for dinner.
And I'm gonna cut up veggies that we're gonna go in our stir fry, and we're gonna have those as with hummus instead. It'll be a great meal. We just don't want our food to go bad, so changing it up. It's fine. We're gonna have a cold dinner. It happens. Look at all this fresh food we have. We had to eat it sandwiches instead of in a curry, but that's fine.
That's
gonna
fine.
be great.
We have a nice spread.
Half my bread got soggy in the freezer, but I didn't want to waste it, so.
So you're having baby sandwiches.
But I can make a bunch of different ones.
We made it.
We are staying in a Walmart parking lot tonight, but we're in Winnipeg. Hooray!
Yeah, it's our first time staying in a Walmart parking lot. I think it'll be cool. I don't know if these lights are gonna be on all night, but
I think they will be.
we have reflectix, so that's fine.
You know, it's just so cool, and it's so interesting going from being like super in the middle of the woods
Yeah,
to now in the
super-
middle of a big city that we've
super-
never been to.
Yeah, super weird.
Thanks for watching today's vlog. It was a long driving day, but we
Yeah.
hope you enjoyed it with us.
Thanks for watching.